All right, everybody. I know I've been kind of lacking in putting videos up here lately, but not the same hood, different hood, new hood. That is in an upcoming video. It's ready for paint along with the two doors. So putting primer on those is coming up real soon. And today started off as a total crap day. We had rain, thunder, lightning. This was not good at all. Ended up as a pretty good day. And I think we're going to get back in the field tomorrow. Hi, Jesse Garth. Or Jesse Dog. I don't know what I said. But anyway, I think we're going to get back in the field tomorrow. We're going to probably finish that up tomorrow and the next day be done with field work. And we'll get back to working on the Bronco full time here. Be using this space over here. We'll get that out of here and get some painting done. But that's what I've been working on today. This took quite a while. Sand this all down and get it ready for paint. First I had to clean it all up. You'll see that all in the next video I put it up, which I think will be tomorrow. It just depends on what time we go to the field and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, that's what's going on.